Banana oil offers numerous benefits. Its sweet fruity fragrance is used a variety of ways. It's found in soaps, lotions, creams, candles, paints, potpourri, shampoos, conditioners, foods and perfumes. It's used to soften leather, make rayon fabric, make penicillin and for aromatherapy benefits. Banana oil can be natural or synthetic. There is a slight difference between the two. The natural version has a rich, sweet, fruity scent while the synthetic version is lighter. What is banana oil and where does it come from? It's a colorless liquid compound formed from isoamyl alcohol and acetic acid. Its chemical compound name is isoamyl acetate. It's made either naturally from the banana plant or synthetically. Some mistaken the banana plant for a tree due to its large size. Its main stem can grow about 20 feet tall with large leaves. It thrives in hot and sunny conditions, producing bunches or clusters of bananas. Banana oil offers numerous healthful benefits for skin. Whether you have dry itchy skin, acne, psoriasis, eczema, poison ivy, fine lines or wrinkles, you can benefit from this oil. The antibacterial properties allow for acne relief. Pimples or blemishes can heal at a faster rate. The spread of bacteria is diminished, helping to get rid of blackheads. The vitamin and mineral content has antioxidants benefits soothing for psoriasis and eczema. The anti-inflammatory properties soothe dry itchy skin, such as poison ivy. It boosts collagen levels and increases skin circulation, combating fine lines and wrinkles. With the benefits of vitamin C and detoxifying properties, it helps to provide an overall, youthful, fresh, glowing appearance. This oil not only helps a variety of skin conditions, it's healthful for the hair and scalp. It adds shine, elasticity and prevents split ends. Moisture is added to the hair and scalp, reducing dryness and flakiness. It helps get rid of dandruff. Overall, its vitamins, minerals and nutrients provide for soft and beautiful hair with improved scalp conditions. This oil is found in commercial and homemade shampoo. Homemade skincare. If you enjoy making homemade soap, try adding some banana oil to your homemade soap recipes. A little goes a long way, so be careful to not overuse. Your soaps can have a luxurious, sweet, banana scent. The synthetic version is less expensive for making soap batches. You can use the natural version, but it will be more costly. Use this oil for making homemade lip balms. The sweet taste of bananas is very appealing to many people. Homemade lip balms can soothe dry, chapped and cracked lips. Their small size makes them handy to carry anywhere. You can have soft, moistured and soothed lips with a hint of banana taste. Use banana oil in a homemade lotion or cream. It's found in many commercial suntan products. Its antioxidants benefits help protect against environmental pollutants that can be damaging to the skin. Skin can be moistured, soft and protected with banana oil.